Analyze the multidimensional challenges posed by external and non-external state actors to the internal security of India. Also, measures required to taken to combat this. Okay. Can you see that? Can you see that? This map can you create here? This map and one flow chart. Done. The first part is done. Okay. So look at this. This is the security challenges by external non-state actors. Directly, I have given you. All right. So one of this flow chart and one map. This will complete the first part of that. And there has to be some analysis. This is the factual information. Then there has to be some analysis. So analysis will be what? You can categorize these challenges in the form of what? Different, for example, border related challenges and borderless challenges. Borderless challenges is what? Cyber security challenges. Border related challenges is this one, border security. The important first one is border security, second one is the infiltration, and third one is what? This narco terrorism and money laundering, fake currencies. All these are the important challenges. So you analyzed with respect to the border related and non-border related, then other internal security challenges with respect to the state actors. You can talk about when you have given this, you can increase Pakistan case mein, you will have state sponsored terrorism. China case mein border related problems and aggression in the form of CPEC, Bangladesh demographic inversion in northeast because of illegal migration. All right. Nepal fake currency, counterfeit currency because of the porous border. Myanmar again what? The insurgency tendencies near the Indo-Myanmar border region. All right. And Myanmar will also be having the role in Rohingyas crisis. All right. All right. So non-state actors like NGOs, external NGOs, how it is doing? I don't know, Kudan Kulam, Greenpeace NGO. I told you MNCs. So MNCs will be money laundering, offshore funding, religious organization, religious fundamentalism. Kerala boy inducted into ISIS, drug cartel, golden quadrilateral and golden crescent and golden triangle. These are the examples you can write. All right. So you analyze this. You analyze this after creating these two diagrams, maybe in two paras. That is okay. Done. First part is done. Also discuss measure required to be taken to combat these threats. So the measures you can talk na. Measures required. So same thing is there. Measures required. So constitutional measure implementation in true spirit. Are you understanding? So measures required to combat these threats. So classify these threats into what? Border related threats and non-border related threats. So here we're talking about the border based threats and without border. So without border is one is what? Cyber security, and second is what? Ideology based, ideological support, border management. So border demarcation and border area management Then you will have maritime border also, the federation and border management. Indo-Bangladesh BSF. Here who is managing that? Indian Army. Here who is managing that? ITBP. And here you will have the BSF and Assam Rifles also. Here who is managing that? Army and BSF. All right. And critical infrastructures is managed by CISF, CRPF. CRPF will be managing this one. All these are being managed by what? All these are the managing agencies. All right. Look at this. Also discuss measures required. So what is the, you will write that integrated internal security management strategy. strategy. And here this should not be the cyber. ये आप जो goal किए हैं, that should be for what? Here you talk about integration of all these forces. है ना? यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे unified command system. You know that? Andaman and Nicobar. Without border, you will have what? Cyber management. Cyber management के लिए National Cyber Security Policy in just one word. CI, Critical Infrastructure Production, National and this CERTIN, NIC, CDAC, all these are working. Ideological support, है ना? By what? By China, Nepal, external state agents to left-wing extremism. Khalistan. Okay, so these all should be curbed at the ideological level, है ना? Making people a stakeholder and creating awareness development. All right. So funding support by FATF, FCRA, FEMA, all these has to be written. So I'll suggest when you have got so many points, create a flow chart, write it there only, and then move on. Then write a couple of paragraphs or one paragraph for analysis of that. That existing infrastructure, analysis of this will be what? Existing infrastructures or existing mechanism of management should be strengthened for efficiency or for effectiveness. These are the measures, or shall be implemented in true letter and spirit. This is the analysis which should be done. All right. And then you will be going towards what? Conclusion. Conclusion will be what? You know about that internal security. Internal security is the basis of geopolitical leadership. So an efficient and effective internal security will lead to the geopolitical leadership of India.